Hello my friends, how are you today? This is Lucy from Flute Art with Macrame Elegance, and these are beautiful colors we'll be using today. Going to be making a bloom. We are starting off with Artist Loft Cerulean Blue, then Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue. We have a copper, which I'm not sure who's that by. We'll be using 24 karat gold and Liquitex Turquoise. So the pillow paint I'll be using is PPG Multipro, and I'll be using black, oxide black cell activator. All right, let's see if I have enough. Yeah, let's put some on here. A little bit more. I think that should be enough. All right, let's start with our Cerulean Blue. And then our Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue. And our copper. Bubble in there. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Towards those bubbles. And then I have, oh, my 24. Now I just want to use a little bit of the 24 karat gold. Okay. Now our Liquitex Turquoise. Who doesn't love turquoise? Okay. Our black cell activator. And I'm using the world's smallest blow dryer. And I have to plug it in because my button is painted shut. Oh no. Oh, now it won't stay down. Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to hold the button down. Well, that's pretty. I like the outline of the copper and the gold there. And I got some peacock sails going on in here. It's really pretty. While I'm waiting for that middle to come together, I'm gonna make some petals. Gotta wipe it off after each time. Sometimes it's hard to know where to make your petals. Sometimes it's obvious, like it's indenting here. I think I'll have more petals on this one. We'll have lots of petals on this one. Since those are kind of thinner, I have to continue that. Okay. And now I go the opposite way. I go out. Ooh, I just dripped something. You have to be careful not to drip stuff out. I do like this color combination. Now sometimes you can like it, and then when you spin it out, the colors, they fade and it just doesn't look as vibrant and pretty, if that's what you like, anymore. Now see here, I kind of messed up, so I'm just gonna have to, I want a nice point. I don't want a messy point. And when you have a big blank space, when you drag it through, it's creating more design. So it doesn't look like it's just a blank space. Okay. Okay, I think it's probably ready to, let me see if it moves. That was one. Pretty much so. Center it here if I can. A little bit more there. A little bit more there. All right, let's spin this out. I'm gonna go slowly. That is pretty. Go a little slower. Sometimes you have to help it along a little. Oh, nice. Still has to come off the corners here. That one's good, that's good, that's good. It's just a little bit here and there. One more, one more. That's good, that's good. Looking at the corners. All right, that is pretty. That turned out beautiful. I wonder if I made my copper darker. Could maybe mix a little bronze in there, or I'll have to experiment. But that's beautiful. I like that. Okay, there you go. I will get you down for a close-up, and the colors will be listed in the description below the video. And if you haven't subscribed, it's free. Please do so. I wish you all the best. God bless you always, and I'll see you in the next video.